Cryptocurrency withdrawal at ePlanet Brokers. Log into your ePlanet Brokers user panel. From the side menu in your user panel, select Withdrawal. Choose cryptocurrency as the withdrawal method. First, select the ePlanet wallet, then click on Create Wallet. On the new page, in the full name field, enter the preferred name for the wallet from which you wish to withdraw funds. In the digital currency address field, enter the destination wallet address. In the network type section, select your preferred withdrawal network from the following options: USDT TRC20, USDT BEP20. After ensuring that the wallet address is correct, click on Submit. Your payment method will be successfully created. Now, enter the desired withdrawal amount in the withdrawal amount section and click Continue. A PIN code will be sent to your email to confirm the withdrawal. On the next page, review your withdrawal details carefully and click Submit. On the newly opened page, please note that once the destination wallet address is saved, for future withdrawals, you can simply select the desired wallet address and enter the amount to submit your withdrawal request. Your withdrawal request will be reviewed as soon as possible, and the result will be sent to you via email. You can also review and monitor the history and the status of your transactions from the side menu in your user panel.